What's up, guys? Today I didn't take any trades. There were two setups that I could have took, but I didn't, which is good I didn't because, well, they were setups, yeah, but they weren't A plus setups and they didn't meet my criteria fully. And it's good I didn't take them. I stayed disciplined. I didn't think about the money. I thought about the process, about good habits, discipline, and that's what really helped me not take those trades. So I'm gonna just walk you guys through the two trades. The two setups that I didn't take and why I didn't take them. Market opens at 7. Obviously, we all know that by now. Okay, first was this 5-minute liquidity sweep slash, slash 1 hour liquidity sweep. It was this high right here. It was 5 minute slash 1 hour high. This is liquidity sweep. I'm gonna just walk you guys through the trade. Not the trade, the setup. My bad, bro. All right, so 5-minute liquidity sweep, then a 1-minute inverse fair value gap. Now we're looking for a retrace. This is the retrace that I would have taken it off of right here, but I didn't because that's a horrible retrace. As you can see, it just barely wicks it. That's literally like, if you really think that's A plus, bro, see ya. Also, let's say I would have taken that. This would have been my liquidity. I take profit, which is, it's not even 1-to-1 risk to reward, so I'm not even thinking about that anymore. Saved a bunch of money there. So yeah, I was really thinking about taking it until this was the retrace, and I was like, nah. And then I looked at, after this candle closed, I was like, nah, bro, not at all. Risk and rewards less than 1. No thanks. So that was setup number 1. Time for setup number 2. All right, so basically this is setup number 2. So basically, 5-minute liquidity sweep, as you see. 1-minute breaker structure through this inverse fair value gap. Not breaker structure, but 1-minute inverse fair value gap, which I count as a breaker structure. But that's a very small inverse fair value gap. That's also one of the reasons I didn't take it. But the main reason was this retrace. Hit equilibrium. But these candles like closed way past equilibrium, so I was like, bruh, I'm not taking that. That's not high probability. It's not A plus. Still would have made money, but I stayed disciplined. That's what matters. And I stuck to my plan, stuck to my strategy. That would have been equilibrium. Take profit. Yep. So, but then again, just like the other trade, if I took this trade 10 times, this probably would have been the only time that it would have worked. So it's all about probabilities, and that's why I didn't take it. Just stay disciplined, because even if I took this and didn't stay disciplined, made money, then I would be reckless and I would keep doing this type of not A plus trade setups and lose money in the long run. That's not what I want. I want long-term success, not short-term money or desires. So yeah, it's basically the trading day for today. No setups, stay disciplined, good stuff. Hope you guys learned something from today, and see you in the next one.